Welcome to Healthy You. Have you ever imagined a delicious soup that not only warms your heart but also helps burn fat and detox your body? Who here has ever felt bloated, low on energy, or wished for a practical recipe to lose weight without giving up flavor? Today, I'm going to share a powerful soup recipe that I eat day and night, and it's going to transform your routine with health and pleasure. Give this video a like now to support Healthy You and subscribe to the channel by clicking the bell. That way, you'll get all my exclusive tips to eat well and live better. Stay until the end to learn every detail of this amazing soup along with the crunchy croutons that will surprise you, and I'll also share a special bonus with you. Are you ready to join me on this journey of flavor and well-being? Let's start with everything you'll need for this soup and the irresistible croutons. For the soup, you'll need 2 red onions, 3 potatoes, 3 celery stalks, 1 carrot, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 1 zucchini with skin, sunflower oil, vegetable broth, salt, black pepper, dried garlic, thyme, and parsley to finish. For the croutons, 2 slices of bread, olive oil, salt, dried garlic, and smoked paprika. These ingredients are easy to find and will bring incredible flavor. From which city are you watching? Write it in the comments. I love knowing where you're from. Now, let's cook. First, heat a drizzle of sunflower oil over medium heat. Saute chopped red onions until soft and fragrant. Add 3 chopped potatoes and 3 celery stalks. Mix well. Next, grate 1 carrot and add it to the pot. Stir again. Time for the bell peppers, 1 yellow and 1 red, finely chopped. Stir once more. Finally, add the chopped zucchini with skin. Look at those colors. Here's a tip. Cutting the vegetables into uniform pieces ensures they cook evenly. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, share this video with your friends so they can learn too. Now season with salt and black pepper to taste. Pour in enough vegetable broth to cover the vegetables. That's the healthy touch. Add dried garlic and thyme for an incredible aroma. Mix everything together. Cover the pot and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Finish with chopped parsley for extra freshness. Want a creamier soup? Blend part of it in a blender and mix it back in. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer a smooth soup or chunky pieces? I want to know. While the soup is cooking, let's make the delicious croutons. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius. Cut 2 slices of bread into cubes. In a bowl, mix the cubes with olive oil, salt, dried garlic, and smoked paprika. That's the flavor secret. Spread them on a baking sheet and bake for 10 minutes until golden and crispy. Here's a tip. Use day-old bread for even crunchier croutons. Like this video, these croutons are already making your mouth water. Look at this masterpiece. The soup is ready, fragrant and full of flavor. Serve it hot with croutons on top, health and comfort in every spoonful. This recipe is perfect for anyone who wants to lose weight without giving up the joy of eating well. Make this soup and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. And if you want even more delicious and healthy recipes to support you on this journey, don't miss the ebook with 500 recipes. It's packed with incredible and creative options, perfect for anyone looking for nutritious and tasty meals. Click the link in the description and grab yours. I hope you make and love this soup. Don't forget to share it with someone who needs a healthy and delicious recipe. Did you subscribe to Healthy You yet? Click the bell so you won't miss any new recipes. Like, comment, and share to support the channel. See you next time.